As an individual, your online reputation matters. Your search results are your online CV. They influence the opinion of interested parties and allow you to be judged within seconds. Clients, associates, prospective business partners, employees, and your network are all measuring you against what appears online. You could potentially miss out on professional and personal opportunities because information found online is outdated, inaccurate, or misleading. Did you know 80% of employers Google you before inviting you for an interview? 89% of people research new contacts using an online search engine. 92% of people said that discovering something negative would impact their perception. Reputation Defender helps individuals repair and enhance their online reputation. We recognize the need to improve and protect what you have worked so hard to create. We will work with you to create a positive online presence to ensure you look your very best online. To find out more, speak to one of our experts today and start protecting your online reputation.